The future of travel has arrived. Introducing the 2026 Greyhound, a bold reimagination of the intercity coach experience. Its aerodynamic silhouette glides forward with sculpted precision, crowned by a panoramic glass windshield that stretches seamlessly across its futuristic frame. Sleek LED light strips carve through the shadows, giving the bus a commanding yet elegant presence under the showroom lights. As the stage rotates, the rear view comes alive, vertical taillights shimmer like a signature beacon, while the polished metallic finish reflects every glimmer of light, a testament to engineering artistry. Step inside, and the journey transforms. Rows of ergonomic leather seating extend through the cabin, bathed in soft ambient LED glow. Overhead compartments blend seamlessly into the design, while wide tinted windows promise panoramic views of the road ahead. For those who seek more, the premium lounge elevates comfort with reclining chairs, footrests, and personal entertainment systems, a space designed not just for travel, but for experience. At the heart of it all, the driver's futuristic cockpit, with its wraparound digital displays, embodies precision and control. This is not just a bus. It is the Greyhound 2026, where innovation meets the road, and every mile feels like the future.